Wines at Anguston in the Barossa Valley, South Australia. Yalumba is a family-owned winery. We are going to be celebrating 107 bottles of wine, which is for the Australian market and also. At Yalumba we had problems with our laser coaters on 2 glass packaging lines and an inkjet coater on our cast packaging lines. We faced the problem
with Yalumba for the last 25 years. Yalumba approached insignia to reduce costs, maximise performance and increase quality. On Yalumba's bottling line, they had initially that they required, nor the reliability that they needed. After understanding Yalumba's requirements for their cast, standardisation a priority in the site, Insignia provided the Domino D320i as the solution for their cast line too. Using the Domino D320i laser and the fact that it's modular in nature, we were able to use the same system across multiple applications.
Without the traceability, our production lines will stop. In the event of the ability, using that information which has been coded onto the product, we can track back to when it was produced, the machines it was produced on, and the raw materials that were used to manufacture that product.
Insignia understands that our customers operate in a mission-critical environment. We have a national network of support engineers there to help our customers get up and
on the cast line and also on the glass line, we have got a worry-free environment, knowing that reliability and traceability are always going to be there 100% of the time. Working with Insignia has been a very pleasurable experience. The sales force was great in their support, and the used was excellent, delivering an outcome which Yalumba is very happy with. We see our relationship with Insignia growing as opportunities to develop new products, develop new coating techniques.